Now, assistant coach of the Under-17 Reggae Boyz, Vassal Reynolds, says that the team will be aiming to be competitive at the FIFA Youth World Cup after securing qualification on Wednesday. The young Reggae Boyz, who only needed a draw to progress, defeated Canada 3-1 to top their group with a maximum 9 points and qualify for their first Youth World Cup in 15 years.
Once we are properly prepared, we utilize the time that we have ahead. I'm certain that the boys will give a good account of themselves, and certainly I can't see us going to the World Cup to make up numbers. At this age group, once you are properly prepared, you should be able to compete. And we have seen it from this unit based on the performance that I saw today, that we are capable of matching matching up with all the teams in the CONCACAF region. It's just for us now to properly prepare ourselves for that high standard of football that we'll expect to experience at the World Cup.
Reynolds expressed delight at the young Reggae Boyz' success.
Personally, it was very emotional for me because, as I said before, this would have been my third attempt as a part of the staff, and so some tears were shed, man. Very, very elated, and I took this one very, very personal. But a lot of effort and work went into it by the staff and the players, and the medical staff, the management staff, and everybody that was involved. So it was very.
Now, this is the third time that Jamaica is earning qualification to the FIFA Under-17 Men's World Cup after previously doing so in 1999 and recently 2011.